Black Dog Baking Company is a small artisan bakery in Cuyahoga Falls. We make everything from scratch. We make everything fresh daily. We focus on bread, cookies, bagels, and sandwiches. We focus on using local ingredients and partnering with local companies. So it's just a nice little bakery in Cuyahoga Falls. We have both been baking for a really long time. We started at a bakery in Hudson. I worked there for about 15 years. Dave was there for over 10 years. In January of 2023, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. After a year of treatment and radiation, chemo, all that stuff, after I was good and healthy, we decided it was just time to do it on our own. Dave was super supportive throughout the whole thing, and we just figured, you know, life's short and why not go for it. The recipes were developed just over years of us working in the industry. Dave knows everything about bread, bagels. I focus more on the sweets. We were doing the build out here for about 6 months, so during that time we really had a lot of time to play with the recipes. Some of the cookie recipes come from my mom, who taught me how to bake. She taught me how to decorate cookies. She passed away 2.5 years ago. So I've been able to continue some of those traditions, use some of her recipes, and just kind of share what I learned from her. We specialize in bagels, artisan bread. Our sourdough is fantastic. We do a lot with cookies. We do your classics, muffins, scones, bagels, bread, but we do it all really well, and we do everything the hard way. So we make everything by hand. The bagel sandwiches have been really popular for breakfast and for lunch, and Dave works really hard on the bread and the sourdough. My husband Dave and I get in around 4 in the morning. He starts steaming and baking the bagels. I focus on making the muffins and scones. Throughout the day, he pulls bread out of the oven, pretzels, all the savory stuff, and I kind of work the counter. So our day starts at 4 a.m. and it usually ends around 6 p.m. So it is a very long day. At Black Dog Baking, right when we open, first thing in the morning, you can get your breakfast sandwich. We serve breakfast until 11 a.m. and then we switch over to lunch. We have a full lunch menu. We slice all the meats in-house. We serve it on bagel, homemade focaccia, bread. So really, first thing in the morning, you can start with your breakfast sandwich until 11, and from 11 to 3, we serve lunch, but there's pastry and bread available all day. Black Dog Baking Company is a great place to visit because we make everything with love. You walk in here, we know your name, we know your order. We do try to make everything the best way we possibly can. We don't shortcut, and everything, you can really taste it, the quality of our food.